Standard 8th Maths, Factorization of Algebraic Expressions, Part 8. Now we'll do the remaining two sums of practice set 6.4. That is sum number 7 and sum number 8. So sum number 7 is this: a cube minus 27 upon 5a square minus 16a plus 3 divided by a square plus 3a plus 9 upon 25a square minus 1. This is the 7th sum. Now there is division here again, like we did in the earlier sum. We have to change it into multiplication. So first we will do that. So this will be a cube minus 27 upon 5a square minus 16a plus 3 multiplied by 25a square minus 1 upon a square plus 3a plus 9. Now we will solve each of this expression. So first expression is a cube minus 27. Now this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and the solution for a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. What is a in here? It is a, and b is, now this is b cube, so b is 3. Now we substitute here. So we get a minus 3 into a square plus 3a plus 9. Now I have directly written, I have not written 3 square. 3 square is 9, so I have written directly. So this is equation 1. Now let us take the equation 2, that is the denominator. 5a square minus 16a plus 3. Now here the product, we have to factorize this. So the product is 15. Now here there is plus sign. So plus 15 is the multiplication, and we have a minus sign here. So both the terms will be having the minus sign, and the addition of those two should be 16. So the 15 into 1. Here we get, when we add these two, we get 16, and when we multiply, 5 into 3. 15 into 1. 15 into 1. When we multiply, we get 15, and when we add, we get 16. Both will have the minus sign. Minus into minus will give us plus sign over here. So it will be 5a square minus 15a minus 1a minus 3. Both these are minus sign. Minus 15 into minus 1 will give us plus 15. This is plus sign. Plus 15, and minus 15 and minus 1 will give us minus 16. Addition. Here this is multiplication. Here it is addition. Now we got is common. We'll write this way. You get 5a common. A minus 5. Minus, now nothing is common, so 1. A minus 3, not 5. 5 3s are 15, so it will be 3 over here. Here also it will be a minus 3b. The plus sign will change to minus when we have a minus out. So this will be 5a minus 1 into a minus 3. This is our equation 2. Now let us solve this. A square plus 3a plus 9. So here again multiplication will be 9, and sum should be 3. So multiplication 9, and both are having the multiplication is 9. Now factors of 9 will be 1 into 9 and 3 into 3. Only these two. But now see here there is plus 9. Okay, and here there is plus. So both should be having plus sign. So if we take 9 and 1, add them, we get 10. And if we take this 3 and 3, we get 6. So this we cannot factorize. We will not be able to factorize this. So we keep it as it is. Now here it is equation number 4. We keep it as it is. Why? Because this we cannot factorize. Now let us take the third one, that is 25a square minus 1. 25a square minus 1. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So the a is what here? a square. So this is 5a and b is 1. 1 square is 1. So even if they write 1, we have to take it as 1 square. So 25 a square and 1 square. So 25 is the square of 5 and a square is the square of a. And 1 is the square of 1. So we have here, we'll write directly here. So it will be 5a plus 1 and 5a minus 1. This is equation 3. So we got all the equations. Now let us arrange them properly as in 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will arrange those equations. Second is 5a minus 1 into bracket a minus 3 multiplied by, now when you are multiplying we have to take it properly. We have to take 25a square minus 1, that is 5a plus 1 and 5a minus 1 upon, now the third equation as it is we have to take, because we cannot, fourth one we cannot simplify it. So it is a square plus 3a plus 9. We take it as it is. We cannot do factorization of this equation. Now we will do the cancellation. A minus 3 and a minus 3 will cancel. 5a plus 1, there is 5a minus 1. So 5a minus 1, 5a minus 1 will cancel. And this will also cancel. See, we did not get the factorization of this equation, but we got the same term here. So this will cancel. So the answer will be 5a plus 1. This is our answer. Now let us do the next sum. That is the last sum of this chapter. That is sum number 8. What is that sum now? 1 minus 2x plus x square upon 1 minus x cube multiplied by 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. Now here there is multiplication sign. We don't have to change the numerator denominator. We just have to, now first let us take this equation. Now see how it is written. 1 minus 2x plus x square. We will just, here also it is 1 plus x square. So we'll just put it, the x term, the square term we'll write first. That will be x square. With the sign we have to write always. So x square minus 2x plus 1. Now we will solve this. Multiplication is 1 and addition is 2. And here it is plus 1 is the multiplication and addition is minus 2. So we want 1 only. So 1 is, the factor of 1 is 1 into 1. Only this one factor. So we have only 1 and 1, which we have to take in the negative sign. Both will be minus. So minus 1 into minus 1 will give us plus 1. And minus 1 plus minus 1 will give us minus 2. So here the factors will be x square minus 1x plus 1. Common is x minus 1 minus. Now here nothing is common, so we take common as 1 and the inside sign will change, so it will be minus. So we have x minus 1 into x minus 1. It is x minus 1 whole square. That is the x minus 1 whole square. Now let us take same way this one. This is x cube minus 1. Sorry, we can take it as it is, 1 minus x cube. So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. That is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So what is a over here? A is equal to 1 cube. And what is b over here? B is equal to x. So we will substitute. So it will be 1 minus x into bracket 1 plus 1 into x will give us x and plus x square. So we got this as the, now this is the first, this is the second. Now third one, 1 plus x square. Now see here the multiplication again here will be 1 and addition is 1. So multiplication 1 and addition 1 we cannot factorize this like we did in the earlier sum. A square plus 3a plus 9 we couldn't factorize because multiplication 1, so factors will be 1 and 1. So 1 into 1 will give us 2. It cannot give us 1. It can either give us 2 or can give us 0. But here we want 1. This is 1x. So this cannot be factorized. So this will remain as it is. And 1 plus x, we don't need to factorize. So that will also remain as it is. Now let us write the first factors are x minus 1 into x minus 1 upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x square multiplied by 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. Okay. Now let us do the cancellation. What can we cancel over here? 1 plus x square will be cancelled with 1 plus x square. Now this is, now see here, this is 1 minus x and here it is x minus 1 and this is 1 plus x. So 1 minus x into 1 plus x. So we will write it and let us see now what we get as if we can cancel further. So this is x minus 1 into x minus 1 upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Now we have such, now here we have to do one thing which is a little difficult to understand what we are going to do now. Here, see here now, this is 1 minus x and this is x minus 1. So what I am going to do is, I am going to take out the minus sign from this bracket. I will put a minus sign outside and I will tell you what is to be done. This is a minus sign of this bracket I have taken out. So now my, this 1 will be what? It will become, what will I get? Here, I don't want to change the meaning of this. So when I take out a minus sign, I will get a minus x over here and plus 1. Okay. What will be the meaning of this? This will be minus into minus plus x and minus 1. So I have just taken out the sign and I have written it this way. The same thing I can write it as minus into bracket 1 minus x. Same thing. Okay. Just I have interchanged the numbers. I have taken the 1 first and minus x afterwards. I first remove the minus sign. After removing the minus sign, I don't want to change this x. It should be plus x minus 1 also only. So I remove the minus sign. Now when I put the minus sign, this will be what? This will be minus 1. This will be plus x. It is same. And this x minus 1 I will write as it is. And here now I have 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Okay. Now this 1 minus x and 1 minus x will cancel. So what do I have here now? I have here minus into bracket x minus 1 upon 1 plus x. Now let me multiply this with the minus sign. So what will I get? Here I'll get minus x plus 1 upon 1 plus x. So I'll write it in the proper form, minus x plus 1. So I'll write it as 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. This minus x plus 1. So I write it as 1 minus x. Why? I've just interchanged it. Yeah? 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 is same. Same way I've just interchanged this. You go through this sum again. Okay. Again I will explain what I have done over here. Just be careful. See here now. I have got x minus 1 upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Now 1 plus x cannot be cancelled. But this 1 minus x can be cancelled with any one of these, not both, because there is only one minus x. So what I have done, I took from this x minus 1, any one, you can take either of this, one bracket I have taken, I wrote a minus sign outside. When I write a minus sign outside, the signs inside will change as we have learnt earlier. But why I have to change the signs inside? Because I don't want to change the meaning. It is plus x minus 1. So here also the meaning should be same when I open the bracket, plus x minus 1. That's why I write it this way. And the same one I write over here now. After changing, it will be 1 minus x into x minus 1 as it is, 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Now I cancelled. Now this minus sign is left. It comes with this bracket now. You know, this bracket is see, this is multiplication over here. Even we don't write, there is a multiplication sign over here. So when this is cancelled, the minus sign automatically comes to this bracket. So when I open the bracket, I get minus x plus 1 and here it is 1 plus x. So I just write it as, I can see, even if you keep it this way also, the sum is not wrong. That is correct. You will get the answer as correct only, but only just that it should look properly. We usually don't put a minus sign at the beginning. That's why I wrote 1 minus x. Okay, this one is also correct. If you keep it this way also, the answer will be correct. So in this way we have completed the lesson number 6. From next time now we will start with the lesson number 7.